In this video, I will show you how to set time on your HryFine smartwatch. By the end of this video, you will not only learn how to set time on your HryFine smartwatch, you should also be able to change the time format from like a 24-hour time to a 12-hour time if you want on your HryFine smartwatch. Now to do this, you'd basically need your phone. So what you want to do is to go ahead and get your phone, and I'm just going to take you through the setup process with the HryFine Smartwatch app. So you want to go over to the App Store of your phone, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then you want to make sure you download and install this HryFine Smartwatch app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded and installed, the setup process is quite simple. Basically, what you want to do is to go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And at this point, you want to agree with the policy. Click on allow, and then just click on allow, give it all of the permission it needs to work together with your HryFine smartwatch, and now you'll be taken to the login page. What you want to do at this point is to click on the I agree to the privacy policy of the app, and then just go ahead and sign in with Google. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and click on this icon at the top over here, but before then, make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on, and then your location of your phone is also turned on, and then you just want to go ahead and click on that icon, click on allow over here, and now click on why using this app. Now your HryFine smartwatch will start looking for available smartwatches around it. So just go ahead and click on the name of your HryFine smartwatch. You can literally see mine over here. So I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. Now it is connecting. And once it is done connecting, you're good to go. Now what you want to do next is to just come over to your Me option over here. And then to change the time format of your HryFine smartwatch, you basically just want to click on device settings over here, and then from here you're going to see the 24-hour system option over here. So if you want a 24 hours type of time format, you can go ahead and enable this. So once you enable it, you can now see that my HryFine smartwatch over here is now showing the 24 hours type of time format. Now if you turn it off, automatically you will also see that the HryFine smartwatch will also change to a 12 hours type of time format. So basically that is how to change the time format. Now to proceed to change the time or set the time of your HryFine smartwatch, you basically just want to head over to the settings. Now the smartwatch actually works with your phone, so whatever time you have on your phone is basically what it is going to have on the smartwatch as well. So you basically just want to change the time from the settings of your phone. You can go over to the system settings of your phone, or in some phones you have to just come over to additional settings over here, and then just click on date and time over here. Make sure you turn off the set automatically if it is turned on, and then just go ahead and change the time from over here. Now let's take, for instance, if I want to change this to 14:14, and then just click on OK over here, automatically the time will also be changed on my HryFine smartwatch as well. If it does not change, basically what you can actually do is to just go ahead and disconnect your smartwatch. So just come over here, try to disconnect the smartwatch by turning off Bluetooth, and then turning on Bluetooth one more time. Now allow the smartwatch to reconnect to itself again. So and once it's done, you can now see that the time will also change on the smartwatch as well. Now that is basically how to change time and the time format on your HryFine smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.